Class 3rd, subject math. Find all the prime numbers between 30 and 45, 40 and 60. First of all, I will tell you again prime number. About prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers having only two factors, 1 and itself, or they have no other factor than 1 and itself. Thirty and 45. First of all, we will write 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Between 30 and 45, अगर 30 या 45 में से कोई प्राइम नंबर होता भी तब भी हमें इनको नहीं लेना था. इट इज बिटवीन. ये 30 से ऊपर है, 45 से नीचे है. 30 इज नॉट प्राइम, 45 इज आल्सो नॉट प्राइम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम जो ये इवन नंबर्स है इनको हम आंसर कर करेंगे, बिकॉज ओनली one even number is prime, that is 2. So 32 is not prime number. इसको हम आंसर कर करेंगे because it is even, it is divided by 2. 34 is also divided by 2. 36 is divided by 2. 38, 40, 42 and 40. अब कौन से नंबर्स बचे? 31 बचा, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43. ये नंबर्स हम लिखेंगे 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43. ये सारे प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं है, बट दीज आर ऑल ऑड नंबर्स. जो ये 31 है इसका फैक्टर है 1 and 31. There is no other factor. 31 के खाली दो फैक्टर्स है. एक तो 1 है, वो सबका फैक्टर होता है, और दूसरा 31. जो ये 33 है, अगर हम 33 यहां पर लिखेंगे, 33 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 33 is not prime number. It is divided by 3. इसको हम क्रॉस करेंगे, ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. जो ये 35 है, 35 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 5. 5 7s are 35. ये 7 से भी डिवाइड होगा, इसका मतलब ये भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. जो ये 37 है इसके खाली दो फैक्टर्स है, एक 1 है, दूसरा 37 है. इसको हम आंसर करेंगे. तीसरा है 39. 39 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 39 is not a prime number. इसको हम क्रॉस करेंगे. 41 is divided by only two factors, that is 1 and 41, so it is prime number. 43 is divided by 1 and 43, so this is prime number. Now we can write prime numbers from these odd numbers. First is 31. Prime numbers between 30 and 45 are. पहला है 31. 33 नहीं है क्योंकि ये 3 से डिवाइड हुआ, ये 11 से भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 35 नहीं है, 3 से डिवाइड, ये 5 से डिवाइड हुआ, 7 से भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 37 is divided by only 1 and 37, so it is prime. 39 को हमने देखा, 3 13s are 39, so it is not prime because it has factor 3 and 13 other than 1 and 39. 41 is prime number, it has only two factors, 1 and 41, and 43 is prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 43. So the prime number is between 30 and 45 or 31, 37, 41 and 43. Now Prime numbers between 40 and 60 are 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 57, 58, 59, 60. Encircle 40 and 60. We have to find numbers between 40 and 60. First of all, we will encircle even numbers because those are not prime numbers except 2. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58. These are all even numbers. These are divided by 2. So the odd numbers, remaining odd numbers are 41, 43, 45, 47, 57 and 59. अभी आपने देखा 41 प्राइम नंबर है, तो इसको हम एनसर्कल करेंगे, ये प्राइम नंबर है, प्राइम नंबर। 43 भी आपने देखा ये प्राइम नंबर है, ये प्राइम नंबर है, क्योंकि 41 और 43 को सिर्फ 1 एंड इटसेल्फ से डिवाइड हो जाता है। दैट इज 41 is divided by 1 and itself only. It has only 2 factors. 43 also has only 2 factors, 1 and 43. Now we check 45 is prime or not. 45 is divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. So it has factors 3 as well as 15. So it is not prime number. इसको हम क्रॉस करेंगे, ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं है। 47 को देखेंगे, इसको 47 के अलावा किससे डिवाइड होता है? इसको 1 एंड 47 से ही डिवाइड होता है। इसके बगैर किसी फैक्टर से इसका डिवाइड, किसी डिजिट से इसका डिवाइड नहीं होता। सो इट्स अ प्राइम नंबर। 57 जो है 3 से 3 ones are, यहाँ पर 7 आएगा, 3 9s are 27. So 57 is divided by 3. It is also divided by 19. So it cannot be a prime number. So it cannot be a prime number. 47 prime number निकला। 57 prime number नहीं हो सकता है because it is divided by 3 as well as 19. So it is not prime number. अब जो 59 है, ये देखना है प्राइम नंबर है कि नहीं है। 59 is not divided by other than 1 and 59. So it has only 2 factors, 1 and 59. So it is prime number. Now we will write the prime numbers between 40 and 60. That is 41 prime numbers between 40 and 60 are, पहला है 41, 43 भी है, 47 भी है and 59 है, because all these numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and 7. So 41 is divided by 1 and 41, 43 has only 2 factors, 1 and 43, 47 has only 2 factors, 1 and 47, 59 has also 2 factors, 1 and 59. So these are the required prime numbers between 40 and 60. And pause. Question number 3 is write down all the prime numbers less than 35. First of all we will write all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Between less than 35. One is neither prime nor composite. Two is only prime, even prime. So we will write prime numbers. Required prime numbers are 2, 3. 4 is even, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. These are all even numbers. First of all, we will write odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 30. These are all odd numbers. It is neither prime nor composite. So the only even number 2 is prime number. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. These are all divisible by, these have only two factors, 1 and 8, 7. So 3 is divided by 1 and 3, 5 is divided by 1 and 5, 7 is divided by 1 and 7. 9 is divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, so it is not prime number. 11 has only two factors, 1 and 11, it is prime number. 13 has only two factors, 1 and 13, it is prime number. 15 is divided by 3, 3 5s are 15, so 15 is not prime number, it is composite number. 17 has only two factors, 1 and 17, so it is prime. 19 has only two factors, 1 and 19, it is prime number. 20 is divisible by 2, 4, 5, so it is composite number. 23 has only two factors, 1 and 23, so it is prime number. 25 is divisible by 5, so it is composite number. 27 is divisible by 3 and 9, so it is composite number. 29 has only two factors, 1 and 29, it is prime number. 31 has only two factors, 1 and 31, it is prime number. 33 is divided by 3, 3 11s are 33, so it is divided by 11, it means 33 is composite number. So the required prime numbers less than 35 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and 30.